Keyboard stickers provide a convenient way to display essential shortcuts directly on your keys, helping you navigate your MacBook more efficiently and boosting your productivity. In this video, we'll review 3 of the best keyboard shortcut stickers for MacBook.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Carxion Shortcut Sticker. The Carxion Shortcut Sticker is an excellent choice for MacBook users who want to enhance their typing and editing experience without compromising the device's sleek appearance. This set of stickers includes a variety of shortcut labels for popular software programs like Microsoft Word, Excel, Adobe Photoshop, and more. These laptops for MacBook accessories stickers are long-lasting and visible since they are made of high-quality polyvinyl chloride, which is also resistant to water, oil, and rips. Made especially for shortcut stickers for MacBooks, adapt to your keyboard layout with ease for smooth integration. These shortcut stickers are easy to apply, reposition as necessary, and stick firmly without leaving any sticky residue, protecting the surface of your MacBook. The Carxion set offers color-coded keys with different colors representing different software or command categories. This helps you quickly navigate through complex software, whether you're editing video, creating digital artwork, or working on a presentation. With its simple design and wide range of shortcuts, the Carxion Shortcut Sticker is perfect for professionals who rely on a variety of applications. On number 2, we have Afterplug A Sticker. For MacBook users who want something a little more specialized, the Afterplug A Sticker is an excellent option. This sticker set is tailored specifically for those who need a more comprehensive and customizable set of shortcuts for advanced software. These stickers are made from high-quality materials and are resistant to tearing, wetness, and scratching. The precisely designed adhesive protects the surface of your MacBook by ensuring a secure application and simple, residue-free removal. It includes more than 50 critical shortcuts in a clear, readable form. Find commands quickly and commit them to memory to improve productivity. Take advantage of an easy peel and stick application process and a detachable construction for hassle-free, residue-free removal. Ideal for users with varying degrees of expertise. If you're working with multiple applications and need a shortcut system that's intuitive and comprehensive, the Afterplug A Sticker is a great tool for enhancing your productivity. On number 3, we have STKR Sticker. The STKR Sticker is another great option for MacBook owners who want a minimalist design without sacrificing functionality. The STKR Shortcut Stickers are sleek, subtle, and designed to blend seamlessly with the MacBook's original keyboard aesthetics. You may instantly look up commands without having to Google them thanks to the keyboard stickers' laptop cheat sheets, which also make it easy to learn new shortcuts. Laptop keyboard stickers dramatically improve your workflow and making it simple to learn how to operate your computer much more quickly. At home or at work, the computer shortcut sticker is ideal for people of all ages and abilities, including elders and students. Windows cheat sheet stickers seem OEM because of their expertly designed appearance and exceptional long-lasting vinyl construction. Committed and receptive customer support staff is here to answer your messages and address any problems you may be experiencing. The matte finish ensures that they remain smudge-free, so your shortcuts stay legible and clean. The transparent material ensures that the shortcuts don't overpower the MacBook's elegant look, giving users a more subtle professional design while still providing all the functionality they need. So these are some of the best stickers to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.